Hi, my magical friends. It's Jasper, my magical planner, and today I have a brand new subscription to share with you. I am so excited about this one. This is from Sadie Stickers. She, I think it was last month, announced that she was going to be doing a subscription. So as soon as it became open, I went ahead and subscribed because I adore her kits. I use them all the time. And so having one just come automatically a month is a real treat. Let's talk about the subscription and then we'll go into seeing what's inside. So it's a monthly subscription, but you can choose to buy it in kind of a bulk and get a bigger discount. So you can do a one-time purchase, which would be $34 plus shipping. You can do the month-to-month subscription, which is what I did on this one, which is $25 plus shipping and tax and everything. So that's $25. Shipping was $4, had like $1.75 in tax, so it was about $31. And then you can do a 3-month long block, which is $71.25, which ends up breaking down to about $24 in there a month. Or you can do a 6-month increment, which would take that cost down to $22.50. Or you can even do a 12-month increment, which is $255, but brings the kit price down to $21.25. Now, to put that in perspective, we're getting a 6-page kit in here with exclusive art. I don't know what the pages will be, but a normal 4-page weekly kit in her shop is about $24. If this kit includes, say, a deco sheet, that would be about another $4. And if it includes something like the journaling pages, that would be another $5. So we could potentially be talking about a $33 price for this kit if you bought it in shop. She does have a minimum amount of time that you have to subscribe, which is 3 months. So getting that 3-month chunk actually makes a lot of sense because you're going to be paying that, and it gives you a little bit more of a discount than just buying it every month. So just keep that in mind. After the 3 months, you can cancel whenever you want, and there's no cancellation fee or anything like that. So should we open this up and see what's inside? Ooh. Okay, so I have a love-hate relationship with these mailers because sometimes they're just harder to open for me, but they protect the stickers so well. Okay, are you ready, guys? It says January Mystery. Oh, this looks really pretty. Okay, so I think I was right that we're getting a journaling page, and I'm hoping a deco page too. So let me take this out. It has a very neutral palette to it. There's some artwork here. I love these flowers. And I learned this last week that I am really into these torn paper looking ones, but definitely really, really pretty. Okay, so that's page 1. Yay! And actually this is bigger than her normal deco pages because I want to say the ones I've gotten from her are half page. So it's nice to have more of them to work with. So that's really awesome. And I love this flower like arrangement with the blues and just a hint of purple and the whites. It's very the beginning of spring and things just coming into bloom. Okay, and I love this. This is really awesome. And it's got that matte gold foiling. I think she's the only shop that I know of that has the matte gold. If there's somebody else, let me know, guys. But I think it's really pretty. I don't know if I'd use this box, maybe, or this box, because I'm not a big, like, I like my earrings, don't get me wrong, but I'm not a very fancy person. But I like the overall feel of the kit. I love these boxes down here at the bottom. So I think the rest of this is her typical kit format. So we have our beautiful scalloped boxes at the top. We have half boxes and then third boxes. This one has a scallop. This one has like the fancy cut-in corners. And then I think, okay, so half, third. I think these are also thirds here. And then fourths are down here. And then we have the smaller boxes. I love these boxes. They were so useful. So these ones, I think they call them the midi boxes. They're about the height, I think, of the half size boxes, but just a little shorter. And then we have the square ones here at the bottom. These are all of our headers and our checklist and our habit checkers, our Monday through Sunday and bow checklist, and then more of those smaller boxes and layering stuff right down here. And then we have our bottom washi, so pretty, and our Monday through Sunday, and these are like dividers here and a couple more boxes. You get a lot of boxes in here. I think this is her new kit format, and I'm trying to think if I've bought any of the weeklies with the new kit format, and I don't think so. So that's really awesome too. Oh my gosh, guys, it's so pretty. I can't wait to be able to use this. And I'm just going back to this journaling page and going how amazing some of these boxes are. I love this with like the, you know, pop in planner style there, like the happy planner. I love these boxes that kind of look almost stamp-ish. And then you have these archways to use. It's so amazing. And I really think that you have enough here that either you could divide it between multiple types of planners or do at least 2 spreads. You'd have to pull in some date covers, but I think that's it because you only get the one set of dates. But there is so much here to work with, guys. So anyhow, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm super excited that she's doing this, and I can't wait to see what next month holds. As far as that goes with the subscription, you can get this kit until the 25th of this month. So if you see it and you're like, oh my gosh, that's so pretty and I need to have that, you can go to her shop today and go ahead and place that order and you will get this kit. After the 25th, so on the 26th, that'll change over to next month's kit. And the kits ship out by the 5th of the month. So this one in particular was shipped on the 3rd and I had it by the 7th. It might have gotten here sooner had we not had what I call snowpocalypse. But even considering that, like, it's not a huge amount of time in shipping and everything was packaged really nicely to protect it and everything. So I really think this is going to be an amazing subscription. So if you're looking for one in this year that you like just want one, I might try this one if it fits your planning style. I'm excited to see what Simply Gilded comes out with later this month, but for now, this is all I have, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button over there. Until next time, I'll see you guys real soon.